Hello friends and welcome to Business with Yulianna. Today we're gonna talk about profitable business ideas that you can start without any investment in 2022. When I started my business, I wasn't ready to invest a lot of money into it. I thought it was too risky, considering that I had a lot of theoretical knowledge, but I didn't have much experience. I still think if you want to start your business, start small. Then with time, your business will grow, so you will reinvest those money into your business. But here is a very important rule for building a successful business. If you don't invest much money into it, this means you must invest a lot of time into it and your skills. In this video, I gathered different business ideas that will require from you only your time and your skills. If you have a question, what skills do I have? I have a very easy answer for you. Think what you can do yourself to solve some problems, and you don't need to pay anyone else to solve it. These are your skills. For example, you found this video, so you can quickly find and analyze valuable information. Or you know how to grow your Instagram profile. While you are thinking which skills you have, I will share with you some business ideas, and hopefully you can start one and grow a successful and profitable business. Idea number 1: consulting. If you are good in something, you have knowledge and experience in something, you can consult people who just started learning those things you know. For example, if you are good in photography, videography, or anything else, you can offer private lessons, private consulting sessions, and share your knowledge and your experience. To be honest with you, nowadays you can find knowledge everywhere, for free or for money, but the most important is experience. Smart people learn from somebody else's experience. So share with them your experience, sell them your experience. Choose something you are already passionate about. Believe me, there are a lot of people who want to learn from your experience. Share with them your knowledge and your experience, or add this as an additional service of your existing business. For example, I have a web design company, and I noticed that many of my clients struggle with growing their social media channels. They don't know how to create posts, how often to post them, how to engage with their audience. So I started offering additional social media consulting services. As a result, I could make more money offering these additional services. Second idea: start your own YouTube channel or publish a blog. I believe nowadays having your own YouTube channel or having a blog gives you so many benefits. It's kind of must-have if you want to be up-to-date in modern world. It gives you tons of benefits, from developing different skills to making extra money. You can make money in multiple ways, from directly using your ads, selling your own products, selling some affiliate products, to indirect ways, when some opportunities open to you as a side income from your content. I will explain what I mean. When I just started my YouTube channel, as I remember, I had 8 videos in that time, and I couldn't imagine that I can start making money from my so small channel and only having 8 videos. So one producer at our regional TV station contacted me and said that he saw my YouTube videos and he liked the style of my videos and the way I make them. And he offered me if I want to be a host of some of the TV programs in our region. Similar things happened when I created my blog, academyofhappylife.com. I created it and published my thoughts there. Learning how to share those articles in social media, this was that way I got my knowledge and experience in social media and helped me sell my consulting services. And actually it gave a beginning of my web design company. As I created that blog myself, I learned a lot during the journey. At some point, I noticed that I pay more attention how my website performs, how to add new features there, than spending more time in creating fresh content regularly. Some of my friends were asking me to create the same website for them or to redesign their existing website, which would load faster and add there some necessary features, some new features. Using this experience gave a beginning to my web design company. Just start telling the world what you are passionate about. You need to tell people that you are passionate about something. There is no other way that they will find out it themselves. If you feel comfortable talking on camera, create your own YouTube channel. If not, just create some blog and write down your thoughts. Third business idea, social media manager. I mentioned this business idea in a couple of my videos already because I truly believe in it. It will not require from you any prior investments. All you need is to watch a couple of YouTube videos, try to notice which strategies follow some successful profiles, and try to follow the same steps. To be honest with you, nobody knows how exactly the new algorithm works. Everyone is guessing it and trying new things which will help their profiles to grow. So just don't be scared, learn basics and then experiment. With experience, it will get easier and better. Take beautiful photos, create beautiful, short, catchy videos, which you can post on TikTok, on Instagram as Reels and Shorts in YouTube. Write useful and helpful content. Interact with your followers, and your profile will grow with time. Believe me, so many business owners, they simply don't have enough time to do it. They would be happy to pay for you if you would do it for them. My suggestion for you, start with one niche and try to have a couple of clients in the same niche. It will be easier for you to run a couple of clients at the same time. Anyways, you will research the topic, you will have multiple ideas, what to post in a new post. Next business idea, decluttering. Hello, minimalists. Oh my god, this is one of the biggest challenges for me right now. I wanted to declutter some of my things, so I started researching more this topic and I found a couple of companies and they charge from $50 to $100 per hour, depending how many hours you order. I think it's so expensive, it's really ridiculous. It doesn't require some unique skills to place things in boxes or organize it on your shelves or put it nicely. If you are a student or someone who is starting in this business, please don't overcharge it and you will have many clients. People who are busy to do it themselves, all of them, they are your clients. And your services are needed regularly, even in the same house. You know, I'm trying to declutter some parts of our house, but as I'm busy with other tasks of my life, such as my business, my blog, my radio program, my volunteering, and much more, my decluttering moves really slowly. As soon as I finish with one closet and move to another, in a couple of weeks, I will need to return back to the first one again. You can start offering those services in your neighborhood, then post it in your local Facebook group that you offer these services. Believe me, you will have many clients if you will charge from $20 to $25. Next business idea, I called it selling it for me. This business idea is as a result of previous one. You can declutter things yourself and then offer clients services in selling their stuff which they don't need anymore, or you just offer a separate services in selling their things. I have so many things I need to sell, from some toys which my son doesn't want to play with anymore, to outgrown clothes and some other tools and things. I am all the time delaying taking beautiful photos and posting them on Marketplace. But it would be great if there would be some person who would do it for me. They would come to my house, take beautiful photos, write some description, post it on social media, talk with potential client and sell it. You can charge a percentage from sale or some hourly fees. It's up to you which price strategy you choose. And next business idea, baby car services. I am a busy mom who has one son. So far, I tried to take my son to different activities myself. But I'm thinking if in the future my nanny would like to take him to some classes or activities, it is not easy to find an Uber or similar companies with a car seat. It would be so useful if there were some company which could offer these types of service. Ideally, if they would include in their package a caregiver too. If he is going to some classes, for example, that person would pick him up from our house and deliver him there and then back home or anywhere else where I need him to be. They drive him there, they wait with him there until he finishes his classes and deliver him back home. I think it's fantastic, and believe me, so many moms would use those services. All you need to do is to find those people who have a car with a car seat and willing to drive some kids to some lessons. If it's a driver and caregiver in one person, it's even easier for you. You only will need to organize this match with whom to drive and who will drive. Very similar applies in general to having kind of baby Uber with a car seat. As I mentioned before, I have a son. When we want to travel somewhere by plane, our number one challenge is to find Uber or Lyft with a car seat. It applies to many countries such as USA, Canada, Mexico and so on. If you want to order a special taxi service with a car seat, you can do it, but you need to request it at least 24 hours prior. If you want to fly somewhere, we need to bring our own car seat with us. I remember when we went to Mexico to have a vacation, there were two options to reach a hotel. Number one, using a bus, and number two, using a private transfer. Of course, in the bus they don't have any car seat. So, 2 weeks prior our trip, we requested to have a private transfer with a car seat. But you had to see that car seat. It was super dirty. I was scared to put my son in it, so he might get some rash or some other skin problems. Of course, good thing they had that car seat, but not so good thing it wasn't in a nice condition at all. Come on, you need to carry your own car seat when you are traveling with a child, now in 21st century? By the way, not everywhere is possible to rent a car with a car seat either. Even if it's possible, it's not easy to have this car available for your dates. You can offer kind of Uber services, but with a car seat. You can call it baby Uber, little Uber, I don't know, it's up to you. You can start really basic with only a car with a car seat. You can advertise it on a different social media channels or even through your local Facebook group. If you are a stay-at-home mom whose kids are in daycare or in school, this is the best type of business for you. And you can start making money immediately. These services are so much in need. Or even if you don't have a car and a car seat, but you have a driving license, you can find families who will pay you to drive in their cars with their kids with $0 prior investment. I truly believe that in 2022 online businesses will continue growing. Even if I am a big fan of online businesses, there are some people who want to do their businesses offline. So in this video I shared with you online and offline type of businesses you can start anytime. Please let me know in comments which business idea is the most interesting for you, and if you found value in this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you didn't do it yet. See you in my next video.